Hello guys, I'm currently on one of the most nicest cabbage farm, and here is the farmer. Your name, sir?
Roshan.
Roshan. He's called Roshan. I think this is one of the most nicest cabbage farm. The layout, just like I explained. This is a 3-month crop, as you know, but the way they do the farm here, it's so unique that we need to copy something. One thing I learned from here is that cabbage is not expensive. It's so cheap. Cabbage is one of the cheapest vegetable you get here. Now the layout of the farm, it's so clean, so neat. You hardly see any weed inside. And the bulb, it's uniform. Like, I'm so amazed. So as he explained, they did a land preparation. After the land preparation, they used cow manure to spread on the whole field. Then they did the layout. The woman came and did the transplanting. Now, as I told you, one thing about this area is that the farmers don't do the nursery themselves. They have a certified nursery where they buy the nest seedlings. So a seed costs, I think, 90 peso. If you want the exchange rate, 1 Cedi is equivalent to 8.3 rupees. So that should tell you. Seeds are the most cheapest thing in India here.
This nursery.
This nursery, yes.
This nursery.
Small plant is purchased.
Small plants.
Small plantation.
How much rupee?
In there,
How much rupee one?
90 paise.
मतलब 1 rupees. 1 rupees per
1
piece.
rupees नहीं 90 paise
Per one piece.
Per piece.
How many paise make 1 rupee?
1 rupees minus 10 paisa is 90 paisa.
90 paise.
Okay.
10% come.
Okay.
1 rupees
10% discount.
Yes.
Discount, yes.
Okay.
90%.
You, unlike Ghana, that you have a seed selling for 1 Cedi. Here it's not like that. I'm not talking about the seed is sold for 1 peso. I'm talking about the seedling that the nursery have bought a nest for 1 month. They go and buy it for only 90 peso. After that, the women do the transplanting, and when the transplanting is done, 4 days exactly, he applies urea. Then after that 1 month, he applies fertilizer NPK 10 26 26. Then after that, that is it. Or do you need any third application?
Liquid
They,
potash.
okay.
Liquid potash in water.
Okay, so they put liquid potassium inside water for the plant and flood the whole area. That is it for the 3 months. Then for the pest control, they control trips. They have to manage trips. So because they grow in the winter, there is little pest to manage. So mainly they control worms and trips. In the winter, it is not, they are not much. So he will do only 2 or even 1 control before the plant matures. And as you can walk through the field, we see only one that was attacked by worm, and that one he has controlled it.
Clean this plant.
Okay, so what you are seeing is that he's applying only water
For
cleaning. When the wheat was harvested, it blew dust onto the cabbage. So what he's technically doing is he's using water to clear off the dust from the cabbage. So there is no chemical. This is just pure water. What's the name of the chemical used to control the worm? Gracia. I don't think it's available in Ghana. So any pesticide that can control worms, you use it. Now, the interesting thing here is that farmers here face the same problem just like us. The way they market their produce is that they have a middleman who is a broker. The broker comes to the farm and negotiates and buys. The rate he is giving me is that one cabbage, when it's small, let me show you. Okay, this cabbage weighs like 700 grams, right?
Yes.
It could weigh like 700 grams, and this one could weigh like 1 kg. So
1.5
1.5 kg.
1.5.
1.5 kg. So you need
2 kg.
Okay, so this one is 2 kg, and this one like this go for 2 rupees. Only 2 rupees. I told you that 8 rupees, 8.3 rupees make 1 Cedi. So it means if you bring 1 Cedi here, you can get 1, 2, 3, and 4 for just 1 Cedi. That's how cheap cabbage is here. So for him to make money, he needs to grow more. And aside that too, he also needs to time the market and make sure that the season is so profitable. Last year, he said the price was 15 rupees per kg, but this year it's so low as 2 rupees per 1 kg
1
for 2 rupees.
2 rupees.
Yes. So
Reason is World War.
The transportation was blocked.
Rate decrease.
because of what?
Decrease because World War beginning.
Transportation is lost.
So the reason for the price drop is that the World War has caused the price to drop. That is the reason he's giving me. The war, World War III, so the price has decreased. So we are waiting. No, in time of war, food is supposed to be expensive, but he is saying that the price. That's interesting. Just by the way. So he's hoping in 7 days time he has to harvest this. If not, they all go bad. So he has no option. Either he sells it at the going rate or he waits for them to get spots. Vegetables are the cheapest thing you can get in India. Food is in abundance. I mean, if you have 1 Cedi, you can get 4 of this. This is the only place you see that Ghana Cedi is so powerful. Very, very powerful. And I'm proud of that. A total plant population here, this is a 2-acre field. The total plant population is 52,000 heads.
Plants.
52,000 heads of cabbages. On an acre, they plant 26,000. So 2 acres, that is approximately 52,000. So you do the math, 52,000, let's say all is 1 kg. So that means that he's making X. You do the math yourself. So that's I'm so amazed. I'm so impressed about the layout. As I told you, this was hand planted by Indian women, supervised by the farm owner here. Okay, how much?
70 rupees.
Okay.
2 kg.
And this one is how much?
Why rate? 2 into 2, 4 rupees.
4 rupees.
Abhi.
Okay. And 4 rupees is. Wow. Did you use machine to do the planting? Machine plant?
No.
Hand?
Human.
Woman?
Woman seeding.
Wow. Wow. The farm is so beautiful. I think this is the most beautiful cabbage farm I've been so far. What's the name of the flower?
Shewanti.
Okay.
Shewanti name.
Okay. Acha. Wow. Hello, sir. Ram Ram, sir. Wonderful. The system here is so unique that farmers work together. You don't have a situation where they tell you the cattle has come to eat all their vegetables and they are paying. How much do they pay to feed? No, it's free. Okay. Those keeping animals, they give them the chance after harvesting, they bring in their animals to also come and graze and feed on the waste. So if you can see, let me show you. This is it. These are the goats. Very huge goats. Is it goat or sheep? The shepherd, they come with their own security dogs. So they feed on the cabbage, and as they are feeding, they also drop manure here. They will come here for 2 to 3 days. Then if he also needs manure, he goes and take manure from the farmer. That is the relationship they have. You can see they are dropping the manure down. We have nice goats, very friendly goats for milk. Hello, sir. This dog, is it friendly? You can see they drop their manure down. This dog is looking fearful. The dog. Nice babies. I'm afraid of the dog. The way he's monitoring me. The way the dog is looking at me, I'm afraid. How much for one? How much rupee? How much rupee? One. One.
Not selling.
But if you were selling, how much would this one cost? If you were selling, how much will one cost?
ज़्यादा 7-8 हज़ार
700.
7,000, 8,000, 10,000. Rate was increased.
7,000.
7 to 10. This much नहीं. बच्चा.
Small one. Small one. How much? 7,000.
7 to 10,000.
7 to 10,000. Only.
One.
Big one. Big one. How much? No. This one. Big one.
15,000 or 15,000.
Are you the one selling? No, he's selling. He's the boss.
He is boss. But your language is not.
Explain to him for me.
ये मोठं केवढ्याला जातं? मोठं जातं 15,000. 15 to 20,000.
15 to 20,000. Let me see. Calculation. Charlie, the goats be like cow. I swear. 15,000 divided by 8.3. 1,008. Hey, Ghana, yeah, blue. Look at this big one. I like this one. This one. How much?
25,000.
Of course, so that's like 2,000. Chabuano. No be small. The camera is not doing justice. See, he's standing by a cow. My driver said let's go. So, are they for only milk? Are they for only milk? Only milk. They eat them? Non-veg or veg?
तुम्ही खाता का नॉनव्हेज?
नहीं.
Non-veg.
Not eating. नहीं, not eating non-veg. Only veg.
Only milk.
हाँ, only milk
Milk.
और ये.
Okay. So, Otto,
What up?
are you married?
No. Yes.
Yes, your wife is in the house.
Yes.
Okay, sir, we will buy cabbage and we are going to buy one for 20 rupees. Otto, we are buying one for 20 rupees.
This size.
We want big size.
This big size.
Yes, so help us buy. We have, let's buy 100 rupees, okay? We'll buy 100 rupees. One for 20 rupees, okay? Isn't that nice? Is your farm beautiful like this? So how do you control weeds in the farm? This one. How do you control weeds?
टाटा पनिडा आफ्टर जेव्हा आपण लावतो ना, हे लावायच्या आधी जमिनीवरती टाटा पनिडा म्हणून औषध येतं, ते आधी खाली मारून द्यायचं.
Before the enters the day, what's the fertilizer name is? Tata Paneer. He throw the in earth. Then he put the
plant.
Also, okay, so you use a weedicide on the farm before you plant. Okay. Okay. So the name of the chemical is what? Tata.
Tata Fedine.
टाटा पनिडा.
Okay.
Not Canada.
पनिडा.
Penida.
Not
Tata.
Canada. You saw.
Tata Penida.
Yes. Not
Okay, sir. Which one are you giving us?
Huh?
Which one? I'll buy 100 rupee. I'll need only 5.
What you will do? 5.
Give to your wife.
5?
Yes.
Arey, 5. One is enough. 5. What do you want to do? Old town what?
Big, small.
Big. Yes. Very big.
एवढं बस झालं ते काय बिग.
Acha. You see that I'm learning Hindi. Okay.
Happy birthday, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Giving you flower.
This is a gift to your wife.
Yes, sir.